Hey guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Rolls-Royce Phantom, the epitome of luxury. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just a car. It is an experience of unmatched luxury, craftsmanship, and performance. Designed for those who seek perfection, this masterpiece blends heritage with cutting-edge technology, offering a ride that defines exclusivity and prestige. Every Phantom is a bespoke creation, tailored to the owner's preferences. The exterior showcases an imposing yet elegant presence with its signature Pantheon grille and the spirit of ecstasy ornament, symbolizing power and grace. The seamless design, meticulously crafted bodywork, and hand-polished paintwork make it stand out as the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Step inside, and you enter a world of ultimate sophistication. The cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring hand-stitched leather, rare wood veneers, and bespoke embroidery. Every detail, from the Starlight Headliner to the whisper-quiet interior, is crafted to perfection. The rear seat experience offers unparalleled comfort with reclining seats, personalized ambient lighting, and champagne coolers, ensuring every journey is as luxurious as the destination. Under the hood, the Phantom is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering effortless power and a supremely smooth ride. The advanced suspension system, known as the Magic Carpet Ride, ensures a serene driving experience, gliding over roads with absolute ease. Despite its commanding presence, the Phantom moves with an almost ghostly silence, reinforcing its reputation as the world's most refined automobile. Technology seamlessly integrates with tradition. The digital dashboard, advanced infotainment system, and bespoke audio setup ensure modern connectivity while maintaining a timeless aura. With an array of customization options, each Phantom is a unique expression of its owner's vision. Owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than possessing a luxury car. It is an investment in prestige, craftsmanship, and heritage. It remains the ultimate statement of success, redefining what it means to travel in supreme elegance. Thanks for watching my video.